How to accept recurring payments. Easiest and cheapest ways to accept recurring payments. A recurring payment, also referred to as a subscription, recurring billing, or automatic payment, is an electronically processed payment that repeats according to a preset schedule. Businesses often set up recurring payments to collect fees from memberships, subscriptions, lessons, and services. Recurring payments require customers to sign a one-time authorization form. How do recurring payments work? To enable automatic repeat payments, a business needs to save a customer's credit card or bank account information in the business payment processing system. The customer must grant permission for both storing the information and for executing the recurring charge. Stored payment data can then be used to process recurring payments automatically. The easiest way to do this is with an all-in-one payment processor or merchant account that handles the payments, but also has software to manage the billing process and security features to protect your customers' information. The best payment processors for recurring payments are Payoly compared to other services. Best low-cost and user-friendly recurring payment platform. Customer favorite invoice and subscription solution for online businesses. All-in-one platform for managing subscriptions and memberships. Best for online startups managing international, subscription, or in-app payments. Just check the description link and create accounts on Payoly. It takes less than 5 minutes to set up everything. You can join with your email, Facebook, or Google accounts. After that, just create a payment form to receive the money. That's very easy, isn't it? It won't take more than 5 minutes. No coding required. We're serious. Payoly is the easiest payment solution available. Accepting payments online should be fast, easy, and painless. Creating a payment form or button is just as simple as managing a social media account. Recurring payments and custom buttons. Payoly makes it easy for your customers to pay and check out. Our buttons are easy and customizable. Payoly allows you to accept payments on your website for products or services. It accepting payments easier for you and a great experience for your customers. Payoly also offers to donate buttons. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to check the description for the joining link. Subscribe, like, and share the video.